Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable creating a landing page hero in Framer, full guide step by step clearly. To create a landing page hero in Framer, start by opening your Framer project. Once your project is open, navigate to the Pages panel on the left side of the screen. Select the page where you want to add the landing page hero. Click the plus button to add a new section to your page. In the new section, select the hero option from the menu. This will create a basic hero layout for you to customize. Next, click on the text element to edit the heading. Type in your desired headline that captures the essence of your landing page. You can adjust the font size, style, and color from the right-hand Properties panel. Next, add a subheading beneath the main heading by clicking the corresponding text element. This subheading should provide additional context or a brief description. To enhance your hero section, consider adding a background image or color. Click on the section background and select either a solid color or upload an image from your computer. Ensure that the image aligns with your brand identity and resonates with your audience. Now, add a call to action button by clicking the plus button again. Choose the button option from the list and drag it to your hero section. Customize the button text to reflect the action you want users to take. Style the button using the Properties panel to make it visually appealing and in line with your brand's aesthetics. If you want to add more elements, such as icons or additional images, feel free to do so. Use the alignment tools to ensure everything is well positioned in your hero section. Once you're satisfied with the design, preview your landing page to see how it looks. Make any necessary adjustments to optimize for different screen sizes using the responsive design tools. Finally, save your changes and publish your landing page when you are ready. Your landing page hero is now fully customized and live for your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.